Well, here's where my bus is going to be for the summer, except for the trips I go on. I'm sorry for the shakiness. This A20 doesn't have automatic stabilizing. So this is my next door neighbors. Here's a couple wicking beds that I built for them. I've got them cleaned out and I've already planted a few things. This wicking bed right here I'm going to tear down, and I sold it to my neighbors over there. This used to be the old house I used to have. Unfortunately, the new people have let everything fall down, and it's too bad. There was a 2,000-gallon aquaponics wicking system there, which is dried up, no fish, no plants. Had 8 32-square-foot wicking beds out there. They haven't been used. So I pulled all the weeds out and got this one out, and I've already got carrots coming up. I've got beets, I've got snow peas, I've got what else do I have? Beets, snow peas, carrots, and onions. I've got some onions planted already. And this is a wicking bed. It has its own water reservoir down in the bottom. I build these, I design them. I've got a design for a winter wicking bed that uses auto siphoning to keep the plants warm. I still do aquaponics. I still do design and help installing. I'm trying to keep this from shaking. I'm going to get an A50, I think. It's got automatic video stabilization in it. So there's 2 wicking beds. Again, there was 8 over there. And what I've done today, well, yesterday and today, this is my ex-neighbor. They're elderly. I've come over, and their insurance company told them they couldn't get insurance unless they got the stairs fixed. So I built them a new set of stairs for the back porch. And then I've got to get up on the roof and put in some shingles so they can get their insurance back. Sounds a little like my bike.